Even a dog has to drink, guys. This is bowl number 3 for him. Even he has to drink out here in the wilderness. There more? We just did a hike. We checked out this cave, and not far. We're gone 20 minutes. Here's some more. Hey, boy. Hey, this way. More? More? Okay, he's pretty good. He had about 4 or 5 of those bowls, so I can live with that. He definitely was thirsty. Okay, we're gonna fire up this rig and continue on with our travel. I would say we're on the 13-mile loop, and I would say this is about if this is 13 miles, I know we are about 9 miles from camp going back, and going this other way we've got to be at least 6 miles. As a matter of fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the odometer. I will say, going back this other way through the sand, I bet you we are about 7 miles. I'll go out on a limb. We're going to head back to camp. We're going to put up these window nets because the sun is brutality. And we're going to put this little old boy to work right here. This keeps the sun closed completely right here. We're having trouble with it, and we want it to close up all the way, so I'm in the shade all day. There, perfect. So if you were wondering what the hell is that string for, that's it. Okay, let's see if she fires up. Uh-oh. When it doesn't fire up, drop it in neutral. Uh-oh, now I'm really serious. Now I'm really concerned. Oh, the keys. Shit. Wow. Damn. You gotta take the keys with you. Now, man, I was concerned. I was like, shit. Put your keys in. Don't forget to put your keys in. It's like, whoa. I'll tell you what, it's an uncomfortable day today. It's 70 degrees in the desert. If you had to walk back, man, that'd be a brutal walk, man.